Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your privacy with Google step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, click on Data and Personalization. Scroll down to the Activity Controls section. Click on Web and App Activity. Toggle off the switch if you want to stop Google from saving your search activity. Next, return to the Data and Personalization section. Look for Add Personalization and click on it. Toggle the Add Personalization switch off to limit ad tracking. Return to the main Google account page. Now click on Security in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll to the Your Devices section and review all devices connected to your account. Remove any devices that you no longer recognize or use. Next, look for Signing into Google. Enable two-step verification for an added layer of security. Follow the prompts to set up your phone number or an authentication app. Now, return to the security page. Scroll to third-party apps with account access. Remove any apps that you no longer use or trust. Navigate back to the Data and Personalization section. Click on Download your data to see what information Google holds about you. Select the data types you want to download and follow the instructions. After downloading, review your data to understand what Google has stored. Now return to the Google account main page. Click on Privacy and Personalization in the left sidebar. Explore the various options available to manage your privacy settings. Finally, make sure to regularly review your privacy settings every few months. Take control of your digital footprint and protect your privacy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.